What are your thoughts on phasing a laundromat? I'm looking at a 6,000 square foot space. If you're looking at sort of like building out in phases, yeah, there could be some utility in that. Some factors that might play into that decision would be utility service. We're building a factory, right? We're building a production facility, and so the location of water and drains, natural gas and electricity, as well as the bulkheads that hold the washers and the curtain wall that where you're installing the dryers, that all becomes very, very important. Now, you can certainly do the build out in one side of the space and sort of plan for the ability to tack on the space and make sure all the utilities are in line. But again, that's going to take a laundromat expert, your distributor, a contractor who's done laundromats to help you make that happen. Second thing I'd mention that comes right to mind is that most of the people I've spoken to over these 30 years say, I wish I had gone bigger. I wish I had gone bigger from the start and feel restricted by space. So that's a real blanket statement. It would require some more market analysis, but I rarely hear from people say, oh, I went way too big with this laundromat. 1,000 to 1, I hear that they went too small with the laundromat. Another factor that I've seen lately where people have found a space they like in terms of location and demographics, but they feel it's a little too large, and they plan wash, dry, fold, and commercial accounts, have used sort of that back office space, if you will, to support storage and maybe even some production capabilities to support that full service laundry. And I've seen people that are building new stores taking a little bit larger space and sort of planning for that production facility, if you will, that's off the customer floor in order to handle a higher volume of wash, dry, fold, and delivery. So just something to keep in mind.